If Prezi is not working for you right now, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the quickest ways to find the problem and get it fixed. Whether Prezi is refusing to load, the editor is stuck, your presentations are not opening, or the web version is acting up, these steps will help you narrow it down fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and software tutorials. First, before you change anything on your device, check whether the issue is actually on Prezi's side. Sometimes the problem is not your browser, your computer, or your account at all. It can be a temporary outage or a service issue affecting Prezi Present or Prezi Video. To do that, open the official Prezi status page and look for any alerts, incidents, or degraded services. If Prezi is reporting problems, then the best thing to do is wait until the service comes back online. You should also check an independent outage tracker like StatusGator's Prezi Monitor to see whether other users are reporting the same problem. This is really useful because if you see a spike in reports, that usually confirms the issue is widespread. If both the official status page and the outage tracker show problems, then you know it is likely not something wrong on your end. If Prezi looks fine globally, the next place to check is your browser. Since the web version of Prezi relies heavily on modern browser features, even a small browser issue can stop it from loading properly. The first fix is to clear your cache and cookies. Old stored data can corrupt image loading, slideshow rendering, and canvas performance. Go into your browser settings, clear cached files and cookies, then close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Prezi again. If that does not solve it, try disabling your browser extensions. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and even some security extensions can interfere with Prezi's visual scripts and prevent the page from loading the way it should. A quick way to test this is to open Prezi in an incognito or private window. That usually disables most extensions automatically, so if Prezi works there, you have likely found the cause. Next, make sure your browser itself is fully updated. Prezi performs best on the latest versions of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Updates matter because Prezi depends on modern web technologies and hardware acceleration to render presentations smoothly. If your browser is outdated, some features may not work correctly, or the editor may freeze, lag, or fail to display content. If you're still having trouble after that, restart your browser and try again, then if needed, restart your computer as well. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and free up resources that may be affecting performance. Also check that your internet connection is stable because Prezi needs a reliable connection to load assets and sync changes properly. At this point, if Prezi is still not working, the issue is likely tied to either a temporary outage, a browser conflict, or outdated browser data. Going through these steps in order usually solves the most common problems quickly without needing anything complicated. So to recap, first confirm whether Prezi is having a service issue, then clear your browser cache and cookies, test in a private window, disable extensions, and make sure your browser is updated. That workflow will help you pinpoint the problem and get back to editing or presenting as fast as possible. If this video helped you fix Prezi not working, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific Prezi error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.